This is Nicholas Holmes with Enhancement 4, my PHP motor site. First, I'm going to start with just showing the car classification table as the default options, and my inventory table as the default inventory. So now I'll go to my site. See, if I type in using the name value pair, vehicle management, it displays my vehicle management page. Also, if I leave that off, it just defaults to that as well. So first I will show add classification. If I try to insert a new car classification with nothing in there, I get a message. Please provide the car classification name. So I provide one and add it. As requested, it was successful. It did not display a successful message. Instead, it loaded the vehicle management page and now shows the new classification in the menu. So now we'll go to add vehicle. If I leave any of these blank, try to add a vehicle, it stays on the page and displays the please provide information for all empty fields message. I have tested this with each field. If I leave any of them blank, it will receive that message as well. So I'll go ahead and add a Jeep CJ7. I'll say it's 1983 with 120,000 miles, brown soft top. Image path, I'll use the one that we're instructed to use. I have one of them, it's yellow. I'll make it deal just $4,000 and I'll add the vehicle. Added successfully. The Jeep CJ7 added successfully. So if I come back over here now and I look at my car classification, maybe I now have a motorcycle classification. If I look at my inventory, I now have the Jeep CJ7 in my inventory. So now I'm going to validate these pages. I will start with my vehicle management page. So I will validate the local CSS on it first. Success. Validate the local HTML. Success. I'll validate the add classification next with the local CSS first. Success. Validate the local HTML next. Success. And lastly, I'll validate the add vehicle, local CSS. Success. And local HTML. Success. Just to recap, I created the vehicle, showing my vehicles folder, displaying my index, my controller for that, defaulting to the vehicles management, and it accesses my new classification and new vehicle pages using name value pairs. In the video, I also added a new classification and tried adding one with missing data and received the appropriate responses as instructed in the enhancement instructions. I also received the same results with the new vehicle insertion. If I had less data, I received the message stayed on there. And if it was successful, I stayed on the page and received a success message as well. I validated the local HTML and CSS for the three views, the vehicle management, new classification, new vehicle pages. This concludes my presentation for Enhancement 4.